Welcome back to Saganaga Lake. It's April 19th, it's a Friday, 2013. We've had a great winter with lots of snow and not a lot of slush, mild temperatures, pretty good fishing. But in the, starting about 2 weeks ago, we've had a warm up. We had some slush that started appearing. The shores started to melt and it looked like it was going to be an early spring. And then yesterday we had a full-on blizzard starting in the morning. It was coming down. You couldn't see the other islands. And then by this morning we had 14 inches of really fluffy snow. So I had to go out for wood today and I had to break a trail. It was pretty interesting. So we'll do an ice check in a couple days and we'll continue this. Okay, pretty chunk here. Alright, let's do a little quick check. No, it's right here. Get right down to the ice. Okay. I have 23 inches. Alright, so it looks like we have pretty good ice, about 23 inches. And elsewhere on the lake, I've heard reports up by Browns Island, Fins Narrows, the ice is slowly eroding from the shores, warming up. In some places you can see where the ice has dropped a little bit. It could be water coming up on top or the snow load pushing the ice down. So we will keep an eye on the conditions here and see if we're going to make it by opener, the US or the Canadian opener here. It is April the 24th, 2013 with the ice report for SAG.